Hi, this is Jan Payne, empowering you to attract possibilities. Here's one of my favorite quotes by Mary Morrissey, and she said this. She said, "If I had 1 hour to solve a life and death problem, I would spend 55 minutes framing the right question." You know, that is so important. The way our mind works is by asking and answering questions, right? And the more powerful the questions, the more powerful the answers. But how many of us actually spend the time to write down those questions and think about the questions that we really want an answer to? As I was coaching Brian Tracy's material, we had a form called the Mindstorming form. And it was really interesting the way that it was written up, because the very first thing is to write out the question. So let's say I want to make extra money. I need extra money. Let's say that. Okay, so that's one. That's very, very vague. The next question would be, what are the ways I can make an extra $5,000? The next question might be, what are the ways I can make an extra $5,000 this month? The next question might be something like, what are the ways I could have an extra $5,000 in my checking account doing X? So you see, the more concise you are, the more the better the answers will be when they come to you. So then you write down 1 through 20. And that's called Mindstorming. This lesson is called Mindstorming. So you write down 1 through 20, and then you go and you sit with paper and pen. Don't you love my pen? It's a nice big fat one. I love it because I write a lot all day, and this is really awesome. But anyway, so you write it down, and then you allow the answers to come to and through you. Don't edit it, don't look at it, don't do anything except just keep writing. The first 5 answers will come to you pretty quickly. The next 5 are going to be a little more difficult, the next 5 a little more difficult, and by the time you get to number 20, which is usually the answer, very often it's the answer, 20 or 21 even if you go past 20, you will get an incredible idea. So I encourage you to do some mindstorming. And remember the quote from Mary Morrissey, I would spend 55 minutes framing the right question. Until next time, this is Jan Payne, empowering you to attract possibilities and encouraging you to write down the right question.